Hey everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Deepa here. Welcome back to my channel. As you already know about the title, today I'm going to talk about whiteheads or melia. So this is a very personal topic and I have talked about this in some of my other videos as well. I've been suffering from melia or whitehead since more than a decade, and I've tried to look on the internet for a very long time, but I did not find any solutions that actually worked for me. I kept on visiting new dermatologists in the hope that someone would actually tell me something that could actually help me alleviate the problem. So 7 dermatologists and still nothing. I wish at least one of them would have suggested me a skincare routine which would have helped me save a lot of money and boost my self-confidence. I do not want that anyone else should face those same issues which I did. This is the reason why I started a YouTube channel. So, rule number 1, there is no permanent cure for melia. So melia basically happens when the skin loses its ability to naturally exfoliate. So prevention is the only thing that can help. Let's start with what all products or ingredients or kitchen hacks have helped me in reducing my melia by like 75%. And I have not visited a dermatologist to get them de-roofed. So de-roofing is the process wherein the dermatologists, they take a needle, they poke the melia, they extract whatever is trapped inside the sebum or whatever it is, and that is basically how you can get rid of it. So number 1 is we have to ensure that we are at least using a toner. This is something very basic because we have to ensure that our pores are closed before we step out of the house, or while we are putting any more products or anything, even sunscreen. We have to ensure that our pores are closed so that no other external material gets inside the pores and clogs them. So a good toner would really come in handy while you're trying to combat this situation. And I used to use rose water. It did not help me much, to be honest. I started using a toner and frankly it has helped me quite a lot. Okay, so I started with Kaya's alcohol free toner. It's pretty pocket friendly. So I have used this, plus I have used a couple of toners from the Face Shop, but I keep on going back to this toner because number 1, it is excellent for summertime. You can see a huge improvement in the appearance of your pores as soon as you start applying it. And the reason for that is it has niacinamide as one of its major ingredients, and niacinamide is something that helps with tightening the pores that we have. And also this is alcohol free, so your skin is in good hands. Moving on, the second thing, pretty inexpensive, and I just cannot tell you how good this scrub is. It is ground oats and honey. First of all, since the day I've started using this, I have not purchased any other physical scrub available in the market because this is excellent for your skin and this is excellent for preventing melia. It is helping the environment big time. The more demand that we have, the market will have to comply and produce products accordingly. So if more and more people start becoming aware and stop purchasing products that we do not need, we can really help our planet with that. I take a decent quantity of oats. I just ground it to really fine particles and then I keep it in an airtight jar, and you do not have to store honey separately. So what I do is that I just take like a small quantity of oats in my palm and then just add like a small quantity of honey to it, and I just add like a few water drops. You can add rose water, or maybe kacha doodh if you want to. Make a paste, apply it on your face, exfoliate it for some time. If you want, you can even keep it on your face for 15-20 minutes as a face pack, because honey is excellent for the skin. Or what I do is I skip a face wash in the evening. I use this one as a face wash. I've been using this for like last 3-4 years. This will decrease your melia appearance by 50% if you use it almost, if not every day, just use it alternate days, and trust me, you will see a drastic improvement. Moving on, let's talk about the chemical exfoliation. So chemical exfoliants, they gently help by peeling off the top layer of the skin. So basically, if there is anything trapped in your pores, the chemical exfoliants will take care of that. So that does not mean that you have to use them every single day. If you're new to acid based skincare, just start it out very slowly, maybe like once, twice a week at the most. For chemical exfoliation, I do suggest Dr. Sheth's Extra Gentle Daily Peel. I have reviewed it in the past. It is a good product. Give that a try. And frankly, I have not repurchased that bottle. I've been using it for almost a year. Number 4, retinols. So retinols are also pretty famous for their skin exfoliating property. If you're like 26 plus, you can start incorporating retinol in your skincare, and they'll also help you with melia. Lastly, beta hydroxy acid is pretty famous for its pore cleansing properties, and I'm talking about none other than salicylic acid. So salicylic acid penetrates deeper in your skin. AHAs like glycolic acid and lactic acid, they can exfoliate the top layer of your skin. What about inside our pores? Salicylic acid can do that for us. I use L'Oreal's Crystal Micro Essence as the first step in my skincare during the morning. I use that even before I use my toner. I kind of applied it after my toner, but then I don't think that will serve the purpose. Another thing that I have is Dr. Sheth's Neem and BHA Spot Clarifying Serum. So during the summers, I use it like once a week for like 10-15 minutes. If I want to keep it for longer, I do that. So I use it as per my skin condition. So these are the 5 steps which I wanted to share with you. Just try them out and let me know or share if you are able to control your melia or whiteheads, because even if one person benefits from whatever I just shared, that will make me super happy. And in case any one of you know anything additional, please feel free to share. Okay, thank you so much for taking out time. Thank you.